Hi, my love. Welcome back to my channel. This is Soft Life Bible, where we create beauty, confidence, and luxury look. One look at a time. If you ever struggled with getting your brow to look neat snatch, don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I am going to show you step by step on how to achieve the perfect, soft, defined, and absolutely flawless brow. Whether you're a beginner or you just want to upgrade your brow game, don't worry, you're in the right place. So grab your tools, relax, and let's create magic together. First thing first, we are starting with a clean brow. So make sure you clean your eyebrow very well. Make sure there is not any oil or any makeup product on it. So I've done that already. So I'll be going in with my spoolie. This is spoolie. So I'm going in with my spoolie. So I'll be brushing my hair upward like this. Let me show you guys. Upward, see. You brush it up with brow gel on this because I don't, as you can see, I don't have much hair here. So for me, I don't need brow gel. So the reason why we are brushing it upward is to keep the hair and everything in place and to bring out the natural shape of my brow out. And you see that. So the second thing you are going to be needing is a brow pencil. So I'm using this. So we are going to start with, just follow, make sure you follow the exact shape of your eyebrow. Look at it now. So I'll start with this side. See, as you can see, this is my shape. Look at it. It's not that I carve my, no, I didn't carve. This is my natural brow, my hair brow already. So I'm just going to enhance it. So I like to start with my round effect first, which is this. You want to do a light, and make sure your brow pencil is pointed. See, as can you see? Make sure it's pointed like this and sharp. So I'll start with this. Let me show you guys. I'll be going in like this. I'm starting with my round effect. As you can see, I went straight. Don't bend your hand or doing like this. You go like this. I will go with the upper, the top, which is my hack. Can you see? Can you see that? Can you see? When you are drawing, please don't press too hard on the brush. It's very important. Please. We are trying to create a soft look. We are not trying to create a hard score block. So this one, as you can see, there's not any hair yet. So I'll just fill it in slightly. It's better for you to build the product small than to press your hand on it. To correct it is actually very difficult. So can you see this one? So I want to join this one to this. So I will start with a light. So for the front, I just going with a light stroke. Can you see? This is what I'm already having. So I will go in with my spoolie again. So with my flat brush. So you make sure you go like this. Can you see? Take as many as possible. Make sure you have much concealer on your flat brush. So let's go in. So I'll be starting up with my round effect, which is this place. You hold your brush like this. Can you see? Like this. Can you see the way I'm holding mine? So we go in like this. Just gently. Can you see? Make sure there is plenty concealer. You have enough concealer in your brush. Can you see? It's already looking good. Then you go in straight with this one. Just join. Don't go in too deep. Just slightly. Very important. And make sure that the skin is covered with enough concealer. Can you see? So I'll be going in with my angle brush with the foundation. So I want to use my exact shade of foundation for the upper, for the top. So we go in with our foundation to this side. I think it's dry easily. So you draw a straight line. As you all know, your brow is supposed to start at the corner of, can you see? At the corner of your nose. So let's go in with this hag. I want it to be round, but not too round. It's my angle brush to use it to blend it. There's so much foundation here, so I want to clean. So you go in with your spoolie. This one, just wine it. You see? It's because I don't have hair yet, so the final result from this to this gorgeous, defined, soft, perfect, seamless, flawless, can you see, brow. Brow really frame your face, and once you get them right, everything else just fall in place. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more soft life content. And tell me in the comment section what part of your makeup routine do you struggle with.